In today's video, we'll be looking at how to get a grade 9 in the roleplay question. This will be particularly useful if you are doing AQA at GCSE. In the description box below, I've put a link to a recent video I've made which really breaks down how to get full marks in the AQA roleplay question. So let's have a look at this one first. It is an example higher question on the school topic. And as you can see, there are 5 prompts which you need to answer in Spanish. Before I talk you through a model answer for this roleplay question, pause the video now if you'd like to have a go at this yourself. So, for the higher roleplay AQA question, there will always be one sentence which requires you to answer in an additional tense. So, that might be a past tense or future tense. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that first. I can see that it is statement 3, say what you did at break time yesterday. And then I'm going to make sure I circle or highlight the question just to remind myself. And I can see there in statement 5, it says, ask your friend a question about school. So my preparation time starts now. I'm looking to complete this in around about 3 minutes to give me plenty of time for the read aloud task and the photo card task. So on my lined paper, I'm going to write a short and simple statement or question for each of these 5 prompts. Okay, number 1 says, say how you get to school. So I'm going to write a short, simple sentence here. I'm going to make sure I include my verb. So I'm going to say, voy al colegio en coche. I go to school by car. So for number 2, it says, say what your favourite extracurricular activity is and why. And I need to make sure I give one activity and one reason. I'm going to try and keep this quite simple. So I'm going to say, me encanta el club de ajedrez porque es interesante. And that means I love the chess club because it is interesting. So for the third one, it says, say what you did at break time yesterday and give 2 details. So there's 2 things I need to be aware of. I need to make sure I answer in the past tense, and I need to make sure I give 2 details here. So I'm going to say, ayer charlé con mis amigos y jugué al fútbol durante el recreo. So that means yesterday I chatted with my friends and I played football during break. Okay, number 4, it says, say how many lessons you have a day. So I'm going to say, tengo 5 clases cada día. I have 5 classes or lessons each day. Okay, number 5 says, ask your friend a question about school. So I'm simply going to say, ¿Te gusta tu colegio? Do you like your school? Thank you for watching. Adios.